back, Cooking with Rick and Rye. I'm Rick.
I'm Rye.
Again with this Rye, and welcome to episode 7. Porky the Tenderloin. I can't think of a better name, can you?
I could.
You could. You probably could. And I gave Rye a big gummy, I don't know, like 100 mgs. So Rye's going to have fun with us today. Okay, so we got our pork tenderloin. Go.
Ryan, why do you have a stick up your ass today? What's wrong with you?
Secret stuff he wants to do for us.
Yeah.
Right? Just to make me look, well, try to look bad. It will never happen, but he's going to try.
I won last week's competition.
I don't know. I think you won like 40%.
No, how do you win 40%?
And I was at 60%.
No, that's not, no. Yeah.
I think it was almost, maybe 70,
I won it. I read the comments.
Did you? We had one comment. Okay, so Rye, you're going to get your pork tenderloin barbecues on.
Yep.
What do you got going on yours?
Well.
Oh, Rye's got a magic box here.
Got the magic box.
Do my Dijon rub. What the hell is that thing?
The new COVID-19 fucking injection, Bendo. So anyways, normally I do this with apple juice, but I forgot to get it.
Okay, so what are you going to use?
I'm going to try it with orange juice, see what happens. Put a bit of my rub in there.
Okay. Now I got a rub with coffee in it, brown sugar, little jalapenos, dried onions.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds awful. And how much you put in there, right?
Whatever I feel like.
Okay.
Oh, she might be full. I told you, shit like this takes time.
Okay. I'm gonna get all my peppers and stuff ready.
Okay, you do that.
While Rye's doing that, I'm gonna start my rotini.
Fuck off.
I just want to see when the gummy takes effect. It looks like it's pretty close.
Well, it could be the drinks too.
It could be the drinks.
Fucking doing it and putting my rub on it. Oh yeah. So this is me cooking a big piece of fucking meat, putting some shit on it. This is gonna be no different than fucking my ribs.
Okay. Right, what are you doing out here?
Well, since fucking you want to always try and win your competitions of cooking, I had to bring my own burner and cook outside because you're like, okay, you got to do a plating competition. You get a fucking burner this big and go ahead, go. So this is what I'm doing.
You like redneck cooking, right?
That's it. That's why I'm going to win today again.
All right, so what do we got in here? We just got bacon?
Making bacon jelly to go with the tenderloins and the coleslaw today.
All right.
We're going to call this bacon jelly sex in the mouth. Alright, so I got my onions.
You got your onions?
Got my onions all cut up. Oh yeah, I need a napkin here.
Got your bacon fat. It's hot. Looks good, Rye. Everything's better with bacon fat.
Everything.
Okay, so that's going to take a little bit.
Yeah, so I'm just going to cook these down, and I'm going to add some brown sugar, get sticky icky, you know.
Sticky icky?
Sticky icky.
I don't know if it's a chef term, but okay.
It is, it's a chef term.
We'll use it now.
Look at this thing.
Looks great.
I think I'm
turn it up.
You're making my favorite thing right now?
I'm making your favorite thing, right. And we're going to add some chili first. Right. You need to know how to do that.
Just like that.
And I'm going to plate this.
Oh yeah. So.
Smells good. Action.
Action. Alright, so today, so yeah, we got onions going almost ready. I'm gonna add some brown sugar, stir that shit up, and we're good.
Alright. Rye. How's that gummy?
It's good. It's good. It's nice. I forget what flavor it was, but it's good.
So
made my back feel better.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
This is what you get when you cook outside. Hey, come over, have a competition here. Cook on the dock. Thanks.
and give the competition a giant gummy.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, where are we, Rye? You got your onions going,
yes.
You got your tenderloin ready, I got my tenderloin ready, and I got my rapini done. I'm going to work on my bean salad.
Okay.
So, ready for the barbecue?
Yeah, we're ready for barbecue, I hope. Yeah.
You hope?
Yeah, I hope we're ready for barbecue. I got shit to do out there, man.
Okay, all
We're
right.
gonna have 25 burners again. Okay, let's do this.
Hey, Rye, guess what? I got some special socks for you. This is my magic socks for kicking your ass.
Yeah.
Look at these socks, Rye.
Get the hell out of my kitchen. Good thing we're not in your kitchen, so you're pretty much
This
fucked
is my
here.
kitchen. Put mine on, and I'm going to also start my poblanos. You okay, Rye?
Yep.
Two big handfuls,
went...
plus a spill.
No, I'm gonna put some...
So we're caramelizing the onions with brown sugar, right?
Yes. So what we're doing, we're making them brown and sticky. Fuck caramelize, what? Caramelize my ass.
So you like caramel with brown and sticky as your caramelize?
Oh, it's sticky icky. It's good.
Okay.
Look at that shit.
Looks good, smells good.
Look at it, he's got me cooking in the backyard, all fucking
I'm
up.
all huggy. How you doing, Rye?
Doing
Okay?
good, yeah.
Okay, while Rye's doing his onion and his brown sugar, I've got my dressing. So I've got a 1/4 cup of lime juice. I've got some salt in there. I'm gonna put a big spoon of Dijon in there. Put a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then with that, I need a 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar. So we have our dressing, and I'm just going to blend it. I use a stick blender. It emulsifies it well. I'm going to add to my bean salad. So mix up the bean salad. We're going to add some celery to it. We're going to add some cilantro to it. Okay, Rye, the peppers are done. I'm going to take those off. Charred.
I tended to yours, eh?
Thanks very much. I appreciate that, Rye.
Just saying, so if it turns out,
You win both
I win
ways?
both ways. I flip that shit and everything. Got that shit going. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water.
And what's this, Rye?
Coffee. Put that much.
That much?
Yeah.
Okay. Smells good, Rye.
It's good shit. You just wait. This is gonna get all sticky again. Tastes so fucking good. Then the balsamic too. That's good.
Okay. I had to move Rye inside. It was taking too long on the burner outside.
Yes.
So I'm sharing my stove with them.
At the end, so thanks Richard for sharing your stove. Not letting me cook outside on 2 extension bars.
You're welcome, Rye. I'm going to make my blueberry garlic glaze. I'm going to put my peach jam in there. And I'm going to put some blueberries in there. And a little jalapeno.
Oh, you got nervous, eh? Feel quick to
Fuck
the ground.
around, Rye. Don't fuck around. Look at that. That was great. How long do you need, Rye? Another 2 hours?
Fuck you. You can't rush perfection, man.
Camera perfection.
Takes a long time. You had me fucking outside the whole time.
You had a
All you
burner
have to do is put a
outside.
cage around me, grab a stick, and start poking me.
I should poke you with your. Where's your injector?
I cleaned it, put it away. I was
you.
getting nervous. It's not good. It's almost ready.
All done.
Yep. What you guys don't see through editing is that's the third time he's tried to do that. But don't worry, he'll edit that out too.
Okay, Ryan.
Yeah.
I got my glaze.
I got my
Bacon jam looks good. Okay, I'm gonna cut my. I'm gonna start cutting my pork tenderloin. You plating? I'm ready to plate, right?
Nice.
Got my poblanos, and we're ready for my blueberry garlic jam, and we are just gonna and then I'm gonna plate up my bean salad a bit.
Holy fuck, this pan's heavy.
Do you want some help?
No, I'm good, man.
You good?
We got it.
Looks good. Looks good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
2 pork tenderloins. I have rapini, I have pork tenderloin, and I have a blueberry garlic peach jam compote.
Sure, do we get taste?
We get to taste. And Rye has
I have. Same thing with my barbecue rub on it from the last one and my bacon jam.
okay.
Jelly, whatever. Okay, let's try it.
Okay, you ready to try, Rye? You got the forks? That's fine. Okay,
All
you're
right.
doing yours first.
Sure. Go with the big piece.
I'm going
It's
to take a
juicy.
little piece,
Big piece.
and I'm going to take a little bit of this. Good, Rye. Bacony, jammy,
Mm-hmm.
sugary. Try a little bit of this.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Blueberry, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of rapini, and right, some bean salad.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You should have the munchies by now.
Let's go.
Okay, Rye,
Yeah.
a successful episode.
Yeah.
Porky the Tenderloin, episode 7.
Ryan the Wind,
I
number
don't know.
7.
We'll see. We'll see in the comments who
Even
wins.
like if you go back to an episode where I don't even cook, I still won it. It's weird. I just keep winning everything.
Cheers, Rye.
Hold on.
Cheers.
Okay, what are we doing next?
A
'Cause-
good cook-off. What do you want to do next?
Well, cheers. You know, well, congratulations are in order for me
We'll
because
see.
I won.
We'll see.
That's already over.
Okay. And what's the next one? You want to do sausage?
We keep saying we're gonna do sausage. We don't do sausage.
Okay, sausage next week.
All right, sausage that week. Next week. Sausage next week. Well,
Okay, and more
all right.
gummies.
Well, yeah, maybe not.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Episode 7, Cooking with Rick and Rye, Porky the Tenderloin.
Porky the Tenderloin. Beautiful shit. It's a wrap. We're out.